Hi friends, welcome to my channel Spanish Made Easy by Purvi. So in my previous videos you have seen some important AR ending regular verbs and ER ending regular verbs and their conjugation. So in this video we are going to do the conjugation of IR ending verbs. Like there are three types of verbs in Spanish we know till now, that is AR ending, ER ending and IR ending. So we have already completed with AR and ER. Now we'll be starting with IR ending regular verbs. So how to conjugate IR ending regular verbs, and we will learn some important IR ending regular verbs that we use in our daily life. So let's start with the conjugation first. So I have taken an example of vivir, which means to live. So we'll be conjugating vivir, which is an IR ending regular verb. So we will see the conjugation of vivir. The stem remains the same, that is, this is the stem, and IR ending verb, that is IR is the ending. So IR will be conjugated and the stem remains the same. So for first person singular, when I am talking about myself, like you, I, so I would use vivo. Vivo, the stem remains the same, but I would add a O here. It becomes vivo. Now when I am talking about two, that is second person singular, I would use vives. Vives. Now when I am talking about the third person singular, that is L-A-I, usted, he, she, it, I would use vive. So for first person singular it is vivo, for second person singular it is vives, and for the third person singular it becomes vive. Now for the first person plural it would become vivimos. So for second person plural, that is Vosotros form, it would take vivis. 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 Now for the third person plural, that is eos, we would use viven. This is the conjugation of the regular verbs that ends with the letter IR. Vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, vivis, viven. So now we will see some of the important IR ending verbs that we use in our daily life. So let's start with that. Abrir is to open. Abre la ventana, por favor. Abre la ventana, por favor. Abre la ventana, por favor. Aburrir is to bore. Like when you are getting bored, you would use aburrir. Aburrir. Yo apuro. Yo apuro mucho ahora. Yo apuro mucho ahora. Yo apuro mucho hoy. Admitir. Admitir is to admit. Admitir is to admit. Admitir. Vale, añadir is to add or attach. Añadir. Deseo añadir unas palabras aquí. Deseo añadir unas palabras aquí. Escribir is to write. Yo escribo una carta. Escribir is to write. ¿Tú escribes una carta a Marta? ¿Tú escribes una carta? ¿Tú escribes en español? Do you write in Spanish? Asistir is to assist. Asistir is to assist. Confundir. Confundir. Confundir is to confuse. Confundir. Está diseñado para confundir. It's designed to confuse. Está diseñado para confundir. It's designed to confuse. Consumir. Consumir. Consumir is to consume. consumir. Cubrir is to cover. Cubrir is to cover. Cubrir. Decidir is to decide. Decidir is to decide. Decidir. Definir. Definir. Definir is to define. Definir is to define. Definir. Describir. Describir is to describe. Describir is to describe. Por ejemplo, es difícil escribir ese momento. Descubrir is to discover. Descubrir is to discover. Discutir. Discutir. Discutir is to discuss. Ocurrir is to occur. Ocurrir. 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 Permitir is to allow or to permit. Permitir is to allow. Permitir. Recibir is to receive. Recibir is to receive. Recibir. Deseo recibir más información. I want to take more information, or I want to receive more information. Omitir is to omit. Omitir is to omit. Sorry, lo siento, I have just written it twice. Supplir is to supply. Supplir is to supply. Residir is to recite. Residir is to recite. These are some important IR ending verbs that we need to memorize and keep intact into our memories. If you have any doubts, please do write on the comment section. Thank you so much and keep watching my videos.